In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful tool for design and collaboration, and one of its core features for teamwork is the ability to add comments. Comments are essential for giving feedback, asking questions, making suggestions, or simply pointing out specific elements within your design file. They foster clear communication and help teams iterate efficiently. We'll walk through the straightforward process of adding your own comments to any Figma design. To begin, you'll first need to activate the comment tool. Look towards the top right corner of your Figma interface, typically within the toolbar where you'll find various tools and options. You should spot an icon that resembles a speech bubble. This is your comment icon. It might sometimes be accompanied by a small number indicating how many comments are currently active in the file. Go ahead and click on this comment icon. You'll notice that once you click it, your cursor will change, indicating that the comment tool is now active and ready for you to place a comment. This visual cue confirms you're in the correct mode to start adding your feedback or questions directly onto the canvas. With the comment tool now active, the next step is to pinpoint where you want to add your comment within your design. Simply move your cursor over any part of your design frame, whether it's on a specific element, an empty space, or a particular section of the layout that you wish to discuss. Once you've identified the exact spot, click your mouse anywhere in the frame. A small comment marker will immediately appear at that location, and a text input box will pop up next to it. This is where you can type your message. Take a moment to formulate your thoughts clearly. You can ask a question, provide specific feedback, suggest an improvement, or even mention a teammate by typing the @ symbol followed by their name, which will notify them directly. Once you've finished typing your comment, you can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Post button located within the comment box. Your comment will then be officially added to the design, visible to anyone with access to the file. The comment marker will remain on the canvas, and you can hover over it or click it to see the full discussion thread related to that specific point.